Early get up in the morning, brush your teeth, take a bath, bathe and neat and clean dress. How you will come to school? No, like that you get up and get ready. Okay? Have breakfast. Okay, children? Yes. Till now you enjoyed your holiday life, no? Yes. Yeah. Now from today onwards we will start our online classes. First we will brush up our previous classes, right? Like LKG, what you have learned? The alphabets, the numbers, about some general science. Today we are going to our language class. What is the language means? It's a English class. Shall I start? What is English? It starts with alphabets. Yes. Our first class is English. Our first class is English. How many letters are there in English? How many letters are there from A to Z? It's 26. Yeah, it is also called alphabets. Alphabets. In that, vowels are there and consonants are there. Right, children? Shall we start? Okay. As I told you, we have 26 alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. These are alphabets. It is A to Z. This is called the capital letters. Yes, children? It is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. sounds k. D sound d. D sounds d. Okay. Today we learned the phonic sound from A to D. A sounds a, B sounds b, C sounds k, and D sounds d. Okay. These are all alphabets. It's a capital letter. Okay. Now what you do now at home, you ask your mama to pick the letters in random. Like if I show like this is which letter? Yes, I can hear. It's a M. This is Q. This is F. This is V. At home also children, you ask your parent to pick the letters randomly, and you have to identify the letter. Will you do now? This is your homework children. And what you have to do now at home, you take one 4 lines book. You have no literally 4 line book. Yes? Yes. Then first what you have to do, you have to write the date. Here you have to write the date. Here or here, anywhere. Okay? Date and the day. Today is which day? Yes, Monday. Date is 792020 and the day is Monday. Both you have to write either in this corner or in the left corner. Anywhere you can write. Then what you have to write here? Write A to Z. What you have to write the heading? Write A to Z. And you start from the first A. You write the letter A. Then leave one finger space. Okay. Write the next letter B. Then leave one finger space. Write the letter C. Like that, you have to write from A to Z. Okay, write it neatly. Okay, children. You have to write from A to Z neatly and just check it out. The letter should touch red line to red line or red line to black line. Okay? Okay, children. This you complete and keep it up. Once you come to the discussion class now, either in the next class, I will ask you have to show to me. Okay, children, you have to write the date, day, and write the heading, write the letter A to Z, and you have to write the alphabets using one finger space. Okay? Okay, now we will move to our next session, that is mathematics. Yes? Yes. Today, okay, I'll move this side. 1 second. Okay, I'll move this side. Today, mathematics, we will go for shapes. What do you mean by shapes? Yes, it's a square, rectangle, triangle, circle, oval, star, diamond. Any other shapes? Yes, you all already know, no? All the shapes, very good. We will go today for the shapes. How do you know how the shapes will become? Yes, shapes will become either by sleeping line or standing line or half curve. It may be any type, like or shapes, there will be what? Some primary shapes. What are those shapes? Today we will learn 4 shapes, right? Yes. First one is square. This is square. Yes. Can you see, children? This is square. This is consists of 2 sleeping line, 2 standing line. This shape is square. Then we will move to circle. Can you see, children? This is circle. Is there any standing line, sleeping line for the circle? No. There is no standing line, sleeping line for the circle. There is no standing line, sleeping line. This is of 2 curves, half curves. Okay, like C and ulta C. That makes a circle. Circle. Next, we will move to, what is this? Which shape is this? Yes, this is triangle. Can you see? Can you see? Yes, this is triangle. Triangle made up of 2 slanting lines. Yes, I forgot to write here. It may be slanting lines also. Basic shape, right? This is 2 slanting line and 1 sleeping line. 2 slanting line, 1 sleeping line. This is triangle. Okay, the third shape is triangle. Now, the last one shape, we go to rectangle. Yes, you get confused, no? The square and rectangle both are looking little bit same. Yes? No, because the square is a triangle also made up of sleeping lines and standing lines. See, this is sleeping line, this is standing line. Yes, the square also made up of sleeping line and standing line. But in rectangle, the sleeping lines are longer than the standing line. Yes, see, the standing line is short, the sleeping line is long. Yes, here the 2 sides are same. Upper and lower sides are same, but 4 sides are not same, like square. So this is a rectangle. This is rectangle. Okay. Now what we learned? Square, then circle, then circle, then triangle. Okay. Triangle. The last one is rectangle. We learned the 4 basic shapes. Okay, what are those? Squares, circle, made up of the basic strokes. Okay. Now, the square. Can you name some objects which are square? Yes. It is like clock. Then what? Notice boards. Then your book is also similar to square. Okay, we will move to circle. Circle. Yeah, clock is also circle. Then biscuits, Monaco, Oreo, that are also circle. Then other than that, sun, moon, that are also in circle shape. Very good. Triangle. Triangle shape. Where you see this triangle shape mostly in the cut piece of pizza. Yes, no children? Another one, the birthday cap. Then the cone of the ice cream. These are all triangle. Rectangle. Every day you use your mobile phone. It is in rectangle. Then where the ma'am is writing this blackboard, it is also in rectangle. Okay. Now what you have to do now? Your homework is at your home. You have to find out the objects which are related to these shapes. Okay, then you have to write in your book. Write any pictures, okay? Then 11 pictures. Like if you think that TV is a rectangle, write one TV picture. First you write the shapes and write the objects related to these shapes which will find in your home. Okay children, you do know? Yes, this is your maths homework. This also same what you have to do. You have that box book, right? Yes, you have that box book. Like this one book is there, no? That you have to take and you have to write. As I told you, you have to write the date. Then 18 you have to write shapes. Okay? Shapes you have to write, and you have to write the 4 shapes. In front of this, you have to write the names of the shapes. Okay, you take the help of mama. Okay, it's okay. Then you have to write the pictures of the objects which related to these shapes. Okay, this you do know. Everything you keep ready. Once we come to our direct call, I'll see your works. Okay. Then. Okay, you all have a drawing book, right? Like this. Yes, you all have a drawing book, right? Yes. In that, what you have to draw now? Using these shapes, can you draw any objects? And show one. First, you can draw yourself. Okay, and show one. Think that this is a square one. We will draw one picture. Okay. Think that this is your face. Yes, this is your face. This is which shape? Circle. And this is your body. This is in which shape? Triangle. Where is our square? We will keep square as a eyes. Okay. Then where is our triangle, rectangle? That we will keep it as a mouth. Yes. We will complete this one with hands and legs. Okay, now you have to draw your ears. Yes. Now ears and all missing. Then you can draw anything you can draw here. Okay? Yes, it's a funny drawing. Try to draw like this some pictures in your drawing book. Okay? Using the shapes, you have to draw some pictures. Right? You can draw house. Okay? You can draw house also. Anything. Okay? This is also your homework. Today what you have learned? One is in the language you learn the alphabets A to Z. In the mathematics you learn the shapes, about the basic shapes. And the fun part you learn some drawings using the shapes. Okay children, totally you have the 3 work activities at home. 1. In the 4 lines book you have to write the alphabets A to Z. Okay, in box line book you have to write the shapes and their names and the related pictures to that. Okay, the third one and the last one, in the drawing book you have to draw the funny pictures using the shapes. Yes. And if you want, you can color it. That's not a problem. Okay? At least you have to try to draw three pictures. Yes, children? Okay. Thank you, children. Bye.